Turning from physical health to mental health, Governor Healey is publicly condemning President Trump's cancellation of millions in mental health and substance use disorder grants for Massachusetts. The governor's letter saying today both the Departments of Public and Mental Health have received notice that more than $5 million in grants were terminated effective immediately. The effective grants include services for suicide prevention, psychosis prevention, and drug misuse and overall harm reduction.